bench. For nearly 200 years, Austin Powder has been improving the world we live in through the safe and responsible use of explosives. Today, the process of turning a massive wall of rock into money is more about geological science and technology than ever before. Austin is at the forefront of developing both through a predictive blast modeling software called Paradigm.
With Paradigm, what we're allowed to do is predict. We can more or less put a shot off before the hole's even drilled and know what those expectations are, which allows us to be more aggressive or less aggressive, gives us a wider variety of timing scenarios, which will help with fragmentation, which ultimately help the customer.
The objective of every blast is the same: to safely deliver the customer's desired level of fragmentation and movement while maintaining the lowest possible vibration and overpressure levels in respect to the surrounding communities. With Paradigm, both goals can be consistently achieved like never before.
What I'm doing here is called a 3D profile. So this is kind of the start of the whole process for blasting, where I actually use the drone and ground targets and GPS to make a three-dimensional model of this blast bench. And then we'll design holes and get appropriate burden and design a correct pattern, and then take it into Paradigm and do timing and modeling, and this is where it starts.
What we're doing with the modeling software is we're trying to come up with a good timing scenario that's going to give us what we want at the seismograph, as well as the breakage that the customer's looking for. We're trying to keep the customer happy as well as the neighbors, so we can continue to mine in the direction they want to go.
Once the site-specific data has been collected and processed, the Austin Powder technical team uses the predictive modeling of Paradigm to identify the optimum hole placement, loading plan, and timing sequence for a safe and productive blast.
The 3D profile allows us to more evenly distribute the energy, which in turn gives them better breakage, better control, better overpressure, sound, vibration. They all kind of go hand in hand, but it all starts with the blast design. With electronics, you've got the precise timing. So to take advantage of that precise timing, we have Paradigm, and when you tie Paradigm with the electronics and precision GPS, knowing where the holes exactly are, now you've got a full package. You've got something that we've really never had before. That's amazing. That's the customer's way to describe it, is amazing. It's amazing the results we can get by knowing exactly where the holes are, being able to use exact milliseconds per foot. It's a phenomenal tool.
They've helped us with some problems we've had and some new cuts in our mine on our high walls. And we were having some problems with some vibration and also some oversized rock. So they used some new technology to help us overcome some of those battles and help increase our production for usable product. We're trying to open up an area, so with the proximity to some nearby homeowners and landowners, it created some problems that we hadn't had before over the years because we weren't so close. So we've been able to achieve some great results using some of their new technology, if you will. So it's worked out great for us.
In the end, it all comes down to results. And the best results come from nearly 2 centuries of hands-on experience, combined with the best technology. Paradigm predictive modeling is just one way Austin Powder is delivering safe, predictable, and optimized results.